everyone, myself Tarani. I am pursuing food processing technology in PhD College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to prepare millet popsicle using foxtail millet, and she is my sister.
Hi everyone, myself Divyadashni and I am her elder sister and I am going to help with this process.
And this is the International Year of Millet, so we all should spread the awareness of millet consumption.
I think popsicle is an innovative idea to make the children eat more healthy food.
Now let's look into the ingredients.
Let's go.
Let's look into the ingredients. Boiled and cooled milk 150 ml. Boiled and cooled millet milk 150 ml. Any millet can be used according to your desire. I used foxtail millet in this recipe. Soak the millet a day before night. Next day morning, drain the water and grind it to extract the milk. Honey 50 ml or sugar 50 gram. Choco chips 50 gram. It is melted and can be used for dipping. Roasted and crushed peanuts 50 gram. Peanut butter 100 gram. And vanilla essence 2 drops. Transfer milk into a pan. Then add boiled and cooled millet milk and mix it uniformly. Add peanut butter and roasted and crushed peanut into a mixture and mix it into a uniform consistency. Add honey and mix it evenly. At last, 2 drops of vanilla essence is added for flavor. Then transfer it into a popsicle mold and refrigerate it for 8 hours and serve it cool.